Welcome to another shortwave video for beginners, and we're going to talk about weather and shortwave. A lot of questions come with the weather conditions and shortwave propagation and shortwave reception. So there's a certain number of users that will think that when it's raining or snowing or when the weather is sunny, that it actually changes propagation of shortwave signals. The weather has pretty much no effect at shortwave frequency levels. That's to say that there are some effects from weather on high frequencies like the UHF range, for example. But on the shortwave level, the 3 to 30 megahertz of shortwave spectrum, weather has no effect. Whether it's snowing, raining, or sunny, it doesn't change the level of signal that you have for shortwave radio signals in general. But there is one phenomena that will actually have an effect on shortwave, and it's thunderstorms. Of course, if there are some thunderstorms, you might have static crashes. And one of the things that's interesting about shortwave is that because it receives signals from far away, one of the things that people don't think about is that sometimes you'll have static crashes that could be 1,000 kilometers away. It could be thunderstorms that are very far away because the static crash, the signal, the radio frequency that is sent from the lightning actually will propagate like a shortwave signal. It will bounce off the ionosphere at those frequencies. So basically, the only phenomena that really does affect shortwave is thunderstorms because it will induce some static crashes. And of course, one of the things you might want to do when you have some thunderstorms close to you, disconnect your outdoor antennas just to be safe with your radios. But, if you remove the fact that thunderstorms, because of the lightning and the static, can cause some disturbance in shortwave reception, the weather itself, whether, like I said, it's raining, humid, dry, sunny or not, cloudy or not, has no effect pretty much on shortwave propagation of signals. So that if one day it's you're not receiving well and it's raining, the rain doesn't have anything to do with it. It's mostly the fact that propagation, there's a coincidence. Propagation that day isn't as good as other days. It doesn't have anything to do with the weather itself. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.